Good old sunset here at the NAFANT office as of. Is this even. Yeah, it is. Okay, it just looks weird. As of April 14th, 2026, on this 12-year. I think it is 12 years. Yeah, 12-year anniversary. Maybe. Hold on, what? 12. No, it's not. It's like 14 years ago. It's probably 14 years ago of the April 14 high risk, where they had a high risk 45% chance of tornadoes on that. I'm gonna go back here, people. But on the high risk day, yeah. And as of right now, as of this recording, this is definitely gonna come out way late. But probably when I'm in bed, I'll probably try to get this out. But there is a enhanced risk for severe weather that's actively occurring. And right now, there's numerous tornadoes, numerous severe thunderstorms producing very large destructive hail. And even a special marine warning from the National Weather Service in Milwaukee, which I'll put it up on the top right, have actually posted the large destructive hail on that storm. So yeah, so right now, this is your rest of the week into the weekend forecast. Today's is Tuesday, April 14th. So the rest of today's obviously going to be very warm, like this, sunny. Temperature highs, upper 60s, 70s. And this is where we get very professional, or very beautiful, if you want to say, the weather tomorrow. It's going to be showers at times. Otherwise, probably afternoon clearing, like it is again. Temperature highs 70s, some in the lower 80s. Very warm for tomorrow. And then again on Thursday, for some areas that will see the 80s, we'll also see again lower 80s. Otherwise, 70s at times. Showers soon becoming clearing again. So yeah. Otherwise, going into the weekend, Friday, temperatures in the 60s, low 70s. Saturday, upper 50s, 60s. And then Sunday, back into the 50s, 60s, low temps in the 40s. And then by next week, we should be again back into the 40s or 50s. Otherwise, our water forecast of Tuesday, April 14th, stage is negative 0.1 feet, which is literally right outside of the action stage. This morning, it probably reached 0.15 feet, which that would be a couple 0.1 or 0.2 feet away from minor flood stage, after a very loud thunderstorm moved through the office area. This actually did produce that much rain, additional rain. It was also like that yesterday. It was like right here and there. So it wasn't too big, it was small. I think most of it was drying up, but from the heavy rain this morning, yeah, definitely produced more rain. So yeah. Otherwise, your heat risk throughout today's, there is a level 1 minor heat risk tomorrow and day 3, which by the time, if this video does get posted tomorrow, which will be April 15th on a Wednesday, it will most likely be day 1 and 2. There's another minor level 1 heat risk that is actively going to be in effect for warm temps, 70s and 80s. So I've been home for the past 2 days because I was sick. If I do stay home again because I'm still sick, there will be most likely, hopefully, because there's a weekly test on NOAA Weather Radio every Wednesday. So yeah, I will issue a special weather statement for the heat risk threat tomorrow morning, for those who are in my Discord server. And I would say Steam, but I'm gonna make my decision from now till probably this weekend, because the Steam server I made since 2024, I think it was, it's basically useless. So yeah, so that's maybe 2025, because yeah. Otherwise, with that, If you're in my Discord server, you'll probably get the alert tomorrow morning, just like maybe an hour before the weekly test. Otherwise, if not, then join my Discord. It will be linked at the end of the video, and if you really want to just click on the link instead of have to type it all in, it'll be in the description below. So yeah. Otherwise, if I'm not wrong, that is probably it. So yeah. And then day 5, which will soon become day 4 if this again video gets posted tomorrow. There will also be a minor heat risk for only Western New York. So yeah, and here at the office we'll also be under it. So again, only Western New York. Expect that minor heat risk. So yeah, and then that's on the Saturday. So yeah, I'll post that special weather statement out as well if it is going to really be that warm and maybe hot. Oh yeah, and as I was just talking about that, I just forgot one more thing. On Friday, if you are subscribed to SPC Niagara WX, I'll also have that channel in the description below. We're going to go live Friday, all day Friday, maybe an all-nighter on Friday, so we can provide you alerts all night long, depends. There is a 30%, which that means an enhanced severe weather threat for parts of the Midwest. An areas that are being hit right now is either under the 15 or the 30%. So yeah. So if you are subscribed to that channel, you'll probably see, which as at the time of recording I'm live, and you might see the new scheduled stream if I do schedule one tomorrow. So yeah, we expect numerous tornadoes. Some of them could be strong at times, and we could see severe winds, 80 plus miles an hour at times, and very large hail. So yeah. And then update on Typhoon San Juan that have already hit Guam. There's been already 7 extreme wind warnings been issued from Taiyang Guam National Weather Service. The first one was issued by the National Weather Service. So yeah, sorry if my camera suddenly just went to 10 zoom because there's a squirrel right there. Let me see if I can probably try to get close to it. There's been one time when I got very close to the squirrel. So yeah. Otherwise, that's, if I'm not wrong, that's probably all I have. So yeah. Probably just stepped in water. Freaking just stepped in water. That's very nice. Anyways, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Discord link will be in the description below. Otherwise, if you like to type it, I will have it at the end of this thing, of the outro. Thanks for watching, and that's your weather story at NAFANT, and your weekly weather, apparently. So yeah, sheesh.